Welcome back. I know you must have created classrooms and also add teachers and students to them. Now, from today on, ball is in your court. You are on the driver's seat. I am going to be assisting you and all the controls in your hand. I am going to explain how to set up the course material in the classwork. First, you should frame the structure for adding materials. Let me go to classwork here. Click on classwork. Here, in the classwork, see the plus symbol here for creation of your topics. Click on this plus symbol. Here there are several dialog boxes are there: assignments, quiz assignment, question, materials, reuse post and topic. Just click on topic. Here first you structure the material by adding the topic. Here first give the name like introduction. Okay, then click and add. Okay, so introduction is added to your classwork. Here none of these are not visible to students until and unless you add the material to your classwork. So next go to create button, go to topic, click on topic. Next add the topic name by giving the topic name. For example, holography. Then click on add. Next click on create, go to topic. Next add another name like relativity. Then add. Next click on create, click on topic, give one more name, so Thomson experiment. Add. These are the structure that created for adding the materials in your classwork. Once again go to create, click on topic, name the topic, type the topic name and click on add. Okay, and for example next one, if you rearrange these topic names by clicking here right side corner, click on this, you just rename it by clicking this one, rename it, or delete option is there, copy link is there. If supposed to copy this one, we copy, link is copied here. Next move down, now it interchanges here. Next, holography, move down. Next, relativity, rearrange this one. Okay, this is the structure of structuring the framework into your classwork. In the next video, now we will be actually adding the material to these topics. Thank you and all.